Ron Williams was introduced to Dr. Min-Soo Kim, who learned of Ron's chronic debilitating back pain. Since his surgery, Ron had tried countless remedies and nothing had worked. Dr. Kim has a PhD in bacterial resistance mechanisms and is a researcher at the Korean University of Future Technology. Later, when visiting Forever Green in the United States, Dr. Kim presented Ron with a package of skin patches. Ron tried one and, to his astonishment, experienced overnight relief. It seemed too good to be true. However, continued use of the patch for 1 week convinced Ron of its power to rapidly activate the body for energy and healing. Now, just a few months later, Forever Green has given birth to FGXpress, and the patches have become a phenomenal global opportunity called PowerStrips. These infrared images of Dr. Kim's back show how a PowerStrip improves energy and circulation in just 15 minutes. PowerStrips have also been assessed using live blood analysis after naturopath Louise Gervais met with colleague James MacDonald in Nova Scotia, Canada. A finger was pricked and a drop of blood examined under a microscope. Before the application of a PowerStrip, some red cells were oval-shaped and distorted, or had a corrugated look like bottle caps. Other cells had web-like fibers and looked like worms moving through the fluid. James explained that this indicated the presence of toxins in the bloodstream. 2 hours after the application of a PowerStrip, another sample was assessed. Again, it showed that the blood contained toxins. However, James reported that there were some improvements. After 24 hours, James was really impressed to see the changes. The blood was more uniformly round and floating freely in the plasma. At the Natural Health and Guidance Center, James is eager to teach others how to supply their cells with essential nutrients and the ideal environment so their bodies can do the work of healing themselves. James concluded that the PowerStrips allowed the improvements that would otherwise have taken a client a month or 2 to achieve. PowerStrips do rapidly